Have you ever bought a brand new truck expecting it to be better in every way, only to discover that some owners are already talking about problems? Well, something unusual is happening with the latest Toyota Tacoma. And if you own one, or you're planning to buy one, there's a very important update you need to know about. Because Toyota appears to have quietly acknowledged an issue affecting some Tacoma owners. But here's the interesting part. The problem isn't exactly what most people think it is. In fact, one of the biggest surprises involves a component that many drivers never even think about until something goes wrong. Another surprise? Some owners are reporting completely different experiences despite driving trucks that appear nearly identical. And perhaps most importantly, there may already be a solution available that could make a noticeable difference in reliability, drivability, and long-term ownership satisfaction. So what exactly did Toyota discover? Why are some Tacoma owners talking about upgrades? And could this affect the future reputation of Toyota's newest mid-size truck? Let's find out. For years, the Toyota Tacoma built a reputation as one of the most dependable trucks on the road. Owners loved the simplicity. The naturally aspirated V6 wasn't the most powerful engine in the segment, but it was predictable. It delivered power smoothly and earned the trust of buyers who planned to keep their trucks for hundreds of thousands of miles. Then Toyota made a bold move. For the newest generation Tacoma, the company retired the old V6 and introduced an all-new turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Immediately, reactions were mixed. Some buyers loved the added torque. Others wondered whether replacing a proven V6 with a smaller turbocharged engine was the right decision. At first, the numbers looked impressive. The new engine produced significantly more torque than the outgoing V6. Acceleration improved, towing performance improved, fuel efficiency showed gains in many situations. On paper, it seemed like a major step forward. But then reports started appearing from owners, not necessarily catastrophic failures. Not widespread engine destruction, something more complicated. Drivers began noticing drivability concerns, unusual behavior under certain conditions, and experiences that felt different from what they expected from a Toyota truck. And that's where things get interesting. Because the real story isn't simply about the turbo engine itself. It's about how modern engines, software, transmissions, emission systems, and electronics all work together. Today's trucks are incredibly sophisticated. The Tacoma's 2.4-liter turbo isn't just an engine, it's part of a complex ecosystem of sensors, computer controls, boost management systems, emissions equipment, and transmission programming. When everything works perfectly, the truck feels powerful and refined. But when calibration isn't ideal, drivers notice it immediately. One of the most common complaints involved throttle response. Some owners reported hesitation during low-speed acceleration. Others described situations where the truck seemed unsure of exactly how much power to deliver. The issue wasn't necessarily a lack of power. In fact, the engine often had plenty of power available. The challenge was how that power was being delivered. This created frustration for drivers accustomed to the immediate and predictable response of older Tacoma models. Now, here's where Toyota's apparent admission becomes important. Rather than ignoring owner feedback, Toyota began issuing software-related updates and calibration improvements for certain vehicles. That might sound insignificant, but in today's automotive world, software updates can dramatically change how a vehicle behaves. Think about that for a moment. A truck that feels hesitant today could potentially feel much smoother after updated programming. That's a huge difference from older vehicles, where mechanical changes were often required to address similar concerns. And this brings us to the first major insight. The upgrade many Tacoma owners need may not involve replacing hardware at all. It could involve updated software designed to improve the overall driving experience. But that's only part of the story. Let's talk about the transmission. The Tacoma's modern transmission is designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining performance. That's easier said than done. Manufacturers face enormous pressure to improve fuel economy and reduce emissions. To accomplish those goals, transmission programming often becomes extremely complex. Sometimes that complexity creates unintended consequences. Drivers may experience gear hunting. Others may notice unexpected downshifts. Some may feel delays during acceleration. Again, this doesn't necessarily mean the transmission is defective. Instead, it often points to calibration choices designed to balance competing priorities. Toyota appears to have recognized that some owners wanted a different driving feel. As a result, updates and refinements have become increasingly important. And this leads to another surprising revelation. Many complaints associated with the Tacoma's turbo engine may actually involve transmission behavior rather than the engine itself. That's a critical distinction, because fixing a calibration issue is very different from fixing a mechanical failure. Now let's discuss something that worries truck buyers even more. Long-term durability. Whenever a manufacturer replaces a naturally aspirated engine with a turbocharged engine, skepticism follows. It's understandable. Turbochargers create additional heat. They increase pressure inside the engine. They introduce additional complexity. Naturally, buyers ask the same question. Will it last? The truth is that modern turbocharged engines have become far more advanced than early turbo designs. Engineering improvements have dramatically increased durability. Cooling systems are better. Materials are stronger. Engine management systems are smarter. Toyota spent years developing this powertrain. The company knew reliability concerns would be unavoidable. After all, Toyota's reputation depends heavily on durability. However, real-world ownership always reveals details that testing cannot fully replicate. Millions of miles driven by thousands of owners create a different kind of test environment. That's why owner feedback matters so much. It's also why software updates and technical improvements continue after a vehicle launches. The process is normal, but many buyers don't realize how common it has become. In fact, modern vehicles often improve significantly during their first few years on the market. Manufacturers gather data. Engineers identify opportunities. Updates are released. The vehicle evolves. And that appears to be exactly what's happening with the latest Tacoma. Now let's discuss the upgrade that many enthusiasts are recommending. Not aftermarket modifications, not giant performance packages, not expensive engine rebuilds. Simply ensuring that your truck has the latest available software and service updates. This sounds boring compared to adding horsepower, but it may be the most important upgrade available. Why? Because software controls virtually everything. Throttle response, shift timing, boost delivery, torque management, fuel mapping, even cooling strategies. A refined calibration can transform how a truck feels every day. Many owners focus exclusively on hardware while overlooking the software that controls it. That can be a costly mistake. There's another angle worth discussing: driver expectations. The previous Tacoma developed a loyal following over many years. Owners became accustomed to its personality. They knew exactly how it accelerated. They understood how the transmission behaved. They trusted its predictable nature. The new Tacoma is different. Not necessarily worse, just different. And whenever expectations meet change, criticism often follows. Some owners adapt immediately. Others require time. Some never fully embrace the differences. That's normal in the automotive world. We've seen it happen with nearly every major powertrain transition. V8 to turbocharged V6, naturally aspirated engines to turbocharged engines, conventional transmissions to advanced multi-speed automatics. The adjustment period can be challenging, but it doesn't always indicate a serious problem. Still, Toyota's willingness to refine the Tacoma suggests the company is listening closely. That's encouraging news for owners, because manufacturers don't invest resources into updates unless they believe improvements can be made. And here's the biggest surprise of all. The Tacoma's strongest feature may actually be the very thing that generated concern in the first place: its modern architecture. Because software-driven vehicles can improve over time. A truck delivered today may perform better next year simply because engineers continue refining it. That wasn't possible with older vehicles. Once you drove off the lot, the truck was essentially frozen in time. Today's vehicles are different. They can evolve. They can improve. And that's a major advantage when manufacturers actively support their products. So what should Tacoma owners do? First, don't panic. The internet often amplifies isolated issues. A handful of complaints can quickly appear larger than reality. Second, stay informed. Check for service bulletins and software updates. Maintain regular service intervals. Ensure your vehicle receives the latest calibrations available through Toyota. Third, pay attention to how your truck behaves. If something feels unusual, document it and discuss it with your dealer. Specific information helps technicians identify potential solutions. And finally, remember the bigger picture. The Tacoma remains one of the most important trucks in the mid-size segment. Toyota has enormous incentives to protect its reputation. The company understands that reliability is a core reason buyers choose the brand. Which brings us back to the mystery we started with. Did Toyota really admit there was a Tacoma 2.4 turbo problem? In a way, yes. Not through dramatic press conferences or shocking announcements, but through something more meaningful. By continuing to refine the truck, releasing updates, and responding to owner feedback, Toyota effectively acknowledged that improvements could be made. And that's the real takeaway. The story isn't about a catastrophic engine flaw. It's about a modern truck undergoing real-world refinement after reaching customers. The upgrade you may need isn't necessarily a new engine, a new turbo, or an expensive modification. It could simply be making sure your Tacoma has received the latest improvements Toyota has already developed. And for many owners, that small step could make a much bigger difference than they ever expected. As the Tacoma continues to evolve, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. Toyota isn't standing still. The truck is changing, the software is improving, and the ownership experience may continue getting better with every update. That's the surprising truth behind the Tacoma 2.4 turbo story. This version is structured for strong YouTube retention, with a curiosity-driven hook, multiple open loops, clear explanations, and a closing reveal that connects back to the opening mystery.